Hi, I'm Keith Meyers, owner of Board Game Republic, a premier board gaming venue with bar and restaurant here in Denver. Board games by their very nature are social, so we've been hit pretty hard by the pandemic. Since the middle of March, we've been closed to the public. At Board Game Republic, we love the joy of playing games, and while you can't play them at our place, we've implemented a new rental system where you can take them home and play them at yours. Over 1,000 titles to choose from. You can get more details on our website. We have plans to safely reopen. We're just looking for approval from the city and state, hopefully in 2 to 3 weeks. In the meantime, stay safe, wear a face mask, wash your hands frequently. Let's get to the other side of this so businesses like ours can open again and begin business as usual.